What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places. And today we are here, or tonight we are here in Colonia La Condesa in Mexico City. And across the street, you can see a bookshop, cafeteria, cafe shop, coffee shop, bookshop. And the coffee shop is on the second floor and the books are on the first floor. And they got like all of that going on over there. Here, this is Nuevo León Avenue here in Mexico City. So check it out. Look at the beautiful dogs. Look at that big, that's a Great Dane or something. Looks like a Great Dane. Wow, that's a big, beautiful dog. And the little one. People love dogs around here. And that place is called, what is it called? El something. I can't even make it out from here. Libros, música, forro, arte, cafeteria, art, books, music, forums, and cafe shop, coffee shop or cafe. El péndulo, the pendulum or something like that, I think it is called. So, one of the many interesting places to check out here in La Condesa, Colonia La Condesa. And you got all kinds of stuff. This place is awesome. I have not tried it out, but it looks awesome enough. It's called Tierra Garat, and it's about chocolate, coffees, frappes, and other kind of pastry. It's a good place. It looks pretty nice. When you guys are here in Mexico City, check it out. They got them all over. So let's go down this way, and we're looking for some of the nightlife. And there is a comedy club somewhere around here, but it's in Spanish. I don't think it's in English. It's over here. It's called 139 on Nuevo León Avenue. That way, a block over. So just so you know. And you got a lot of nice little restaurants, coffee shops, and everything. So as I keep walking and doing this, I'm going to pause and unpause. I mean, the area is very chill. This is Amsterdam Avenue, and you could go running around here. Very shaded tree areas. You got a lot of nice areas around here, even that nice architecture of that building and all of that. And there goes the Great Dane again. Well, if it's not a Great Dane, it's a great something. It's a beautiful dog. And the other one too. And there it says Toot, Chocolat, everything chocolate. Let's check it out. Let's get closer to it. And it's a very nice chill area. It's got a nice vibe to it. A lot of foreigners that come to work in Mexico City, that companies hire them, they choose this area to live in. A lot of foreigners from Europe, from the States, from Canada, from Argentina, Chile. And this is a happening place, and it's pretty quiet, as you can tell. So this is Toot, Chocolat. Toot, Chocolat. And the park over there is Spain, Parque Mexico Park. It's called Mexico. And yeah, it's just a chill place. And it's all about chocolate. They got chocolate cakes, chocolate, everything. Nice stuff. Everything is chocolate. Desserts, homemade pastry, croque monsieur, croque avocado, chilaquiles. So I think everything is with chocolate. All kinds of things. So there you go. Now, the night is starting to set in, and we can start seeing the nightlife, come alive. More things happening. Wow, this is another chocolate place. Chocolate. Because I can smell the chocolate in there. And there's ice cream as well. Wow. And the place is happening. I just saw this bakery stuff here, the baked goods. It looks very delicious. All kinds of sweets and pastry. And that's Parque Mexico, Mexico Park, if I'm right, because I've been here. And the other one I've been to is Spain, Parque España, where I do my workout bars and everything. If you want Greek yogurt, you got this place here that sells Greek yogurt. It's a container turned into a business. Wow, look at this. This is Calle Chilpancingo. And I don't know how much rent costs around here, but if you're looking for a place that's got good coffee shops, cafes, little bars, restaurants, comedy clubs, things of that nature where you could just chill and relax. This is the place, La Condesa, and this is the park. I've come to this park to work out too. And in the daytime, in the morning, people are doing exercise, walking with their dogs. Even at night right now. I mean, it's just the dark is just getting dark. Darkness is just setting in, or nightfall is just happening. And wow, we got all these businesses. It's pretty nice. It's pretty chill. Hey, look, who wants to play Monopoly? Now, people are here waiting for a table to go inside or something. Ice Cream Nation. Ice Cream Nation. We all scream for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Wow, look at that place. Looks nice. Pretty cool. Slider burgers, everything. Tortitas, meaning sandwiches. Vitas, pizza. It's all chill. It's all pretty relaxed. It's all pretty nice. It's a nice chill environment. And the guy's prepping to play music in a little while. Here's another restaurant and there's a lounge and they play blues music. From what I can tell, it's called El Parque Mexico. Wow, art restaurant type place. And it's got a terrace, jazz terrace. So it's gonna be up there. Wow. Guys, check it out here. Here in Parque Mexico, Mexico Park, Parque Mexico. Wow. And people just hanging out doing their thing. And they're speaking a different language because not everybody speaks Spanish in Mexico, but they are Mexicans. The original people, pre-Hispanic, and they got their own language. Wow, look at this place. Looks pretty chill. Pretty chill. And then that place right there is called Churreria El Morro. And they have them across the city. But the original one is there in Centro Histórico on Eje Central, Lázaro Cárdenas. And that place, like at 9 p.m. on a Friday night, like tonight, it's going to be jam-packed. There's even a line, like about 40 people to get in. Here, there's like 30. But there are even more. Wow. And this place is called El Morro. That's how famous it is. How good, not just famous. Bad boys, what you gonna do when they come? Wow, look at this, guys. For those of you who are American like me, from the U.S., a Woolworth. I haven't seen one of these since my days in New York when I used to live in New York. Even when I lived in New Jersey, I don't remember seeing a Woolworth back in 2010, 2011. This avenue, I have no idea what this avenue is called. Insurgente Sur, okay. Wow, I don't know which way to go now. Well, I'm trying to find some more places that are interesting. I think I veered off course when I crossed Insurgentes. I don't know if this is still a Condesa. Vegan Carniceria. Well, look at it. There's a restaurant called Vegan Meat Shop across the street over there. Okay. It's about 2 blocks away from the Woolworth. We just saw Vegan Carniceria. It's not really a meat shop. It's supposed to be vegan, but the name is funny in itself. Sears is right over there. Sears. Okay, I came back into Condesa. So I'm going to look around here for some more things to see. And look at the little doggy. Hey, doggy. How you doing, doggy? So, nice little places around here. Pretty chill. Not much happening here. Maybe it's not that good of food. Maybe there's other places. Got a couple of tables where people are sitting. Look, a little pastry shop here called Matisse Gourmet. Cakes and everything inside. Wow, very nice. So yeah, just walking through and kind of hear a little bit of the music in the background. And we'll keep walking back towards the park to see what else is up here in a moment. I'm inside the park and I'm going to see how much of it I can see even though those lights are glaring and I can't even see where I'm stepping here in the area. But usually on the side of this little water thing here, you got those chairs, but you can't really see them because the lights are blinding. And people usually sit there in the afternoon, in the morning, and read or take a nap in those little type of hanging chairs that they got those metallic things, kind of like oval going up. Anyway, you can't see it, but let's go back to the tour of the rest of this area over there. We're going back in that direction. I mean, it does feel safe to walk in this park at night. There is police presence. I mean, I see people here walking with their dogs and everything. I mean, it's dark now. Darkness has fallen. So let's go see some more here. And remember, after I'm done with this video, stay tuned for a video on Roma Norte and Roma Sur, whatever I can do today or tonight, as long as the weather permits. Make sure the motorcycle dude passes by so I can cross on over to the other side. Kind of like the doors, eh? See what else we got around here. Well, not really any businesses like little restaurants or coffee shops. This is more like music shops and something like that. And grills. I'm not looking for a grill. Maybe a girl, but not a grill. People are playing music. Oh, they're doing one of those songs. So who sings that? I don't remember. Maroon 5, Maroon 20, Maroon 90, something. And this is some kind of school and chef restaurant kind of thing called Nido. Taller Culinario. It's a restaurant too. So if you ever want to eat some fine food, you can come here. Here's the menu, breakfast menu. You got things at 105 pesos called divorciados, divorced, like people that are divorced. And that's 2 eggs, 2 fried eggs over a corn tortilla plus bathed in red sauce and something, plus refried beans for 105 pesos. You got all kinds of omelets or some other things, a little more enchiladas. Torta means cake. I mean, not a cake. It means sandwich in Mexico. So you got sandwiches, you got all the stuff in the morning, and then you got the lunch or dinner menu, cold entrees or appetizers, even strong plates, platos fuertes, meaning the main dish, like more food on it. And then the desserts, typical sweets, chocolate, lemon pie, because it's tarta de limon, 3 milks, dessert, churros, and whatever. So you got all of that available here at this restaurant. Now I feel a couple of raindrops falling more than normal. So this is in Parque Mexico, Mexico Park. Guys, check it out. Make sure you do. Hi, how are you?
Hi. Hi.
What's up? How you doing? Good?
Good. Hi.
All right. Have a good night. Thank you. Nice people. I'm telling you, nice people in Mexico City here. So, and they're friendly. Young people, now it's starting to rain. Come here. And if you want to come to this restaurant, it's good. I'm going to leave you now. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Tell other people about this so they can check it out. And if they like it, they subscribe. Here from Mexico City. All for you guys. And I'm going to go walk towards Roma Norte, is in that direction. So I hope the night cooperates, because it's been raining a lot most of these nights. And leave comments below. Leave comments. Catch you guys later. Stay safe. Stay warm if it's cold where you are. And if it's getting really cold, drink some nice hot chocolate with a churro or a nice pastry, whatever you got in your area of the world. If you're in India, hot chocolate with a gulab jamun or kheer. And if it's in Colombia, buñuelo con chocolate.